How to view the firmware version on HP printers. There are two different methods covered in this video. Method 1. If there is an information, or info button on your printer, press this button to print an information page to view the printer firmware version. Make sure the printer is connected to the network, then you can press the information, or info button, and after a few seconds the printer prints out an information page with the firmware version. Note: for printers with a touchscreen, you can tap Menu, then Info, then About Printer to view the firmware version. Method 2. Use the HP Smart app to check the printer firmware version. Note: make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same wireless network and the printer has been added to HP Smart. Open HP Smart from your mobile device. Tap the printer icon on the home screen to enter the printer settings page. Tap Printer Information. Check Firmware Version, Printer Language, or just Language, and Country/Region. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.